Learn all about dog care here. Your dog might scratch his bowl when hungry. When your dog needs to empty his bladder, he might scratch at the door. Dogs will stare at you when they are in need of compassion. You can't always so easily tell what is needed, so keep watching for tips on how to learn the ropes. Take care to keep your dog cool while traveling during the summer by car. Even with your air conditioning on, the dog may become overheated in his pet carrier. A simple and low-cost countermeasure is freezing a few gallon jugs of water and placing them near him where he can curl up and cool off. Brushing your dog's teeth is important, but it is not easy. If your dog is resisting, once a day simply lift their lips and use your finger to rub their teeth lightly. Do it quickly at first, and then begin to draw out the time you spend performing this action. This will help them get used to the process. After that, you can begin using an actual brush and toothpaste. Take your grown dog to the vet at least once a year. The vet will check to see if the dog's vaccine's up to date. In addition, the vet will check the dog's teeth and vital signs. If any major health or behavioral issues come up between annual checkups, you should see the vet earlier. Associate some hand signals to verbal commands when training your dog. It may be easier for your dog to learn commands if they see a visual signal. Experiment with each way and determine what works. Giving your dog a bath is essential to his health. Depending on his size and activity level, toss him in the tub weekly or monthly and always use a shampoo that is made for dogs and is pH balanced. Pets have different pH levels than humans, and a good dog shampoo will leave your canine clean with a beautiful shiny coat. Know the basics of pet first aid if you have a dog in your family. Being able to react quickly in an emergency, such as your pooch being bitten by a snake, can mean the difference between life and death. Read a good book on the subject or ask your vet to brief you on the basics. Dogs' facial expressions can be a good way to understand a dog's emotions. However, now that you've watched this video, you have a deeper understanding beyond just facial expressions. You will have a happy dog for that. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.